Hey there beauties, welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'm doing something quite different. I rarely do blue on my channel, so today I feel like I'm going to do something blue and white. For this color, I was the one who created it. I mentioned it in a previous video. If you guys haven't seen that video, go and check it out. I'll leave it in the iCards above so you guys can just click and just go check it out. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe if you wish. Like this video, follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty Services, and also remember, I don't have a designated time to posting videos, so ensure that your bell is turned on so you get notification from me, because I upload twice a week every week. So as I mentioned earlier a while ago really, that this color, I used these color in the previous video, but I also want to bring I am not an expert at mixing acrylic, but I just want to bring attention to the color and how it looks. I mean, at the end of the day, it was a win. I mean, I didn't lose, but I didn't like the outcome. This is not what exactly I was going for. So I created this color some time back. I was in the stages of creating my own colored acrylic, but I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened, and I really want to find out why the color and the acrylic color is separating, creating a marble effect. If you guys watch my, what is it, the marble pink or the Easter nails, I'll link it in the icons also. It's the same thing that I was experiencing, but I don't know why it was doing that, and that's one of the reasons why I kind of stopped doing coloring and just buy color instead of mixing it myself. But I guess I have to find out. I guess I have to learn. And I think one of the reasons is that the white that I used to mix this blue with this blue is it was with the harsh white. I mentioned it in a couple of my videos. I mean, yeah, and I mean it was a holiday. I mean, I didn't complain about it. So yeah, so that's what my little rant. For now, it was really a rant, it was just an observation. I mean, yeah. So I am doing this. So I'm doing an ombre today, one full nail with the blue. So I'm doing blue and white ombre. It was a win-win, as I said before, because it turned out to be marbling. It was a beautiful set. So I'll do this on the pinky nail, and then I'll be right back with you guys. I'll be taking the mylar glitter over the tip of the ring finger and the the point your finger, and then I will encapsulate. Then I'll use, after shaping and filing and doing all of the wonderful stuff, I'll going in with a color, a gel polish that is very sky blue. I didn't get the blue that I wanted, and I thought that, you know, it would have come out better, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. It is what it is. But yes, I went over the nail that is the only blue nail, and then I did my drawing, and then I blinged off my nail, and then I matte the nail, one of the nails, and then I, you know, show you guys the revealing touches. So there's not much, you know, to talk about in this video, and I don't want to bore you guys. So guess what, you guys can watch me draw, watch me bling out the nails, and then you'll get the reveal. So guys, if this is your very first time here on my channel and you skip out the rest of the video, hi, welcome to BareBeauty. Subscribe to my channel, tap the bell beside it so you get notified each and every time I upload. And if you like the content that I post, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also like this video, and also follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty Services. I post often over there, so I think, yeah, I post often over there. So yes guys, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Guys, one more thing, I just want you guys to rate me on my drawing, because you know, I'm making an effort to do more drawing on my channel here. So if you think I did well, go ahead and rate me in the comment section, or rate me in the head, whichever way you want to do it. Just rate me, okay guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This is the time. I'll see you guys in the next video.